Ever tried to open a bank account in 2 minutes? Spoiler alert, it's not that easy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital banking, specifically Monese. Now, if you're new to the whole online banking scene, you might be wondering how fast is the verification process? Can you really open an account and start using it in a heartbeat, or is it just marketing fluff? Well, fret no more, curious cat. That's exactly what we'll be exploring today. We'll break down the verification steps, typical timelines, and some factors that might influence how long it takes Monese to get you set up. So, buckle up and get ready to navigate the sometimes confusing world of online bank verification. But before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech and finance hacks delivered straight to your inbox, or rather, your feed. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. How long does Monese verification actually take? The official answer from Monese themselves is a bit of a well, it depends. They advertise a super speedy sign-up process, which is true. Downloading the app and entering your basic info can be done in a couple of minutes. But the all-important verification stage is where things can get a little, well, not exactly slow, but not instantaneous either. Typically, verification on Monese involves two main steps. Identity verification. This is where you prove you are who you say you are. Monese uses a combination of methods, including taking a selfie video and uploading your government-issued ID, think passport or driver's license. Address verification. This step ensures Monese knows where to send your snazzy debit card, because let's face it, who doesn't love a new card? There are two ways they can do this. Geolocation. Basically, you give the Monese app permission to access your location, and they use that info to verify your address. Debit card activation. If you order a physical card, once you activate it, that can also serve as address verification. Now, the good news is that both these steps are usually pretty quick. The selfie video can be done in seconds, and uploading your ID shouldn't take much longer. Here's the catch. Monese then needs to review everything. This review process is where the timeline gets a little fuzzy. There's no official waiting time Monese gives, but based on user experiences and online reviews, it generally takes between a few minutes to a few hours for them to approve your verification. However, there are a few things that can influence how long it takes. Time of day and day of week. Just like any other customer service operation, Monese might have a higher volume of applications to review during peak hours or weekdays. So, submitting your verification on a quiet Tuesday evening might get you approved faster compared to a busy Saturday afternoon. Clarity of documents. This one's a no-brainer. Make sure your ID photo is clear, all the information is visible, and the selfie video is well lit with your face unobstructed. Any blurry photos or unclear details could slow down the process while Monese tries to get a better look. Potential complications. In some rare cases, there might be additional checks needed. Maybe your information doesn't quite match their database, or there's a potential security concern. If this happens, Monese might reach out to you for further clarification, which could add some extra time to the verification process. Alright, so we've established that verification can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, but what happens after that? Once Monese approves your verification, you're good to go. You'll be able to access most features of your account, including setting up a virtual card for immediate online spending. The physical card itself might take a few additional business days to arrive depending on your location. Here are some bonus tips to potentially speed up your Monese verification. Do it during off-peak hours. If you can, try submitting your verification on a weekday evening or weekend when there might be less traffic. Double-check your documents. Before hitting submit, take a good look at your ID photo and selfie video. Ensure everything is clear and well lit to avoid any delays. Have patience. While waiting can be frustrating, remember that Monese is prioritizing security. A slightly longer wait for a secure account is a good thing. That's all we have for Monese verification today. Hopefully, this video